Hey, this is Andrew Guy for AndrewGuySpeaks.com, and today we're talking about teamwork and the power of unity. The power of unity. That nothing works better than us coming together. Another thing that we want to talk about today, our focus is going to be on diversity. Diversity, right? And that simply means different. Different. And this concept can work for your business, your marriage, your family, your school. It can work anywhere that you have to work with other people. It can work in your student organization. It can work anywhere. All right? Here is the concept. That look at my fingers. There are 4 fingers, 1 thumb, 5 phalanges. If you notice, they're all different length. They're all different width or sizes, right? And the same thing will happen in your organization. You will have somebody that has a different way of doing something, or a different way of thinking, or they just go about something a little bit different than you, right? The concept here is this. Difference is great. Difference make you last longer. Different spells longevity. All right? And what we're trying to get you to understand is that in your business or anywhere you work together as a team, if you have unity, that's the best thing. But if you have variety, it's what makes the difference. There's success in being different. So if you're in your business and your goal is, if you're a manager or a supervisor or whatever the case might be, and your goal is to get everybody to do things your way, that might not be the best thing for you, all right? Or if you're a team leader and you're trying to get everybody to think like you, that might not be the greatest thing to do, all right? Your project will not get off the ground. It might get off, but it will lose wings in the middle of the air and fall to what? To the dust. So here what we're trying to say, when things are different, it's great because everybody have their own personality, their own concept. All you have to do is get people to buy in on a particular vision that you have. Look at these, the 4 fingers, right? If all of them buy in to the fact that I want to make a fist, then the goal is to pack a punch and impact people's life for good. So this is what we're trying to get. Doesn't matter where you are, whatever your business is. Empower people to think different. Empower them to accept the fact that they're not going to be like you. Praise them for being different. Encourage them to think outside of the box. Because whenever you think outside of the box, that's when success meets your door, and then you open that door, unlock that door, and all the things that you need to make your business successful come to fruition. So never, ever, never, ever, ever, never, ever cause people to think like you. Because, look at it. They said that evolution says this. It is survival of the fittest. No. It's the differences that make them a success. So any animal that had the same traits that weren't successful is because they didn't have a difference or something different about them. So the people that made it, or the animal that made it, or any business that make it, is the one that think different. So thinking outside of the box is a benefit. So listen up. This is Andrew Guy for AndrewGuySpeaks.com, and I want to let you know that diversity is the key. Being different, being unique, is something that's critical to making your team work. It is critical to making your business work. It is critical to making your family work. Fellas, if you're in a marriage, don't try to make your wife think like you. That's detrimental. That's dangerous. Being different actually is a defensive mechanism to ward off outside attacks. All right? So again, I want to thank you for stepping up and listening to this training. This is Andrew Guy for AndrewGuySpeaks.com, reminding you that I'm impacting lives for a better tomorrow. Let's get it. Unity all the way. Yeah.